Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to ask advice from the AI assistant in the Expedia app. Just open the app, and now in 2025 there's no specific button for the AI, but we can scroll down the home page and then we will find Romy here and click on Start Chatting with Romy. And now you can ask questions. As you can see, I've already asked about destination ideas, and then he or it asks back. We can answer it, and now I will paste in a message like when should I travel to Amsterdam and what should I visit. And here are some of his recommendations. We can ask back and ask for more help if we would like to. So that's basically it. I hope it will be useful.